As October 2025 wraps up, the air is crisp, leaves crunch underfoot, and the city is aglow with the warm, eerie light of Halloween decorations. The final days of the month bring a sense of excitement and anticipation, especially for Pokémon GO trainers who have been waiting for one last big event before November arrives. Pokémon GO trainers have one last treat to look forward to, the final spotlight hour of the month. It's a time when friends gather in parks and neighborhoods, sharing laughs and stories as they hunt for Pokémon together under the glow of jack-o'-lanterns and string lights. This special event takes place on Tuesday, October 28th, from 6 to 7 p.m. local time. The timing couldn't be better, as the world outside is already transformed by Halloween spirit. Streets and parks are filled with spooky decorations, and the atmosphere is perfect for a themed adventure. For one magical hour, the featured Pokémon will appear far more frequently on the map, turning your usual walk into a thrilling mini-event. It's a unique chance to catch as many as you can, and maybe even spot a rare shiny variant if you're lucky. There's no need for tickets, special research, or complicated requirements. Just open the app, step outside, and join the fun. The simplicity of Spotlight Hour means everyone can participate, whether you're out for a quick stroll or making an evening of it with friends. Whether you're a seasoned veteran with a full Pokédex or a newcomer just starting your journey, this is your chance to catch, collect, and maybe even discover a shiny Pokémon you've never seen before. The excitement is contagious, and the memories you make can last long after the event ends. Plus, the event comes with a special bonus, perhaps double catch XP or extra Stardust, to help you level up and make the most of your time. It's a great opportunity to boost your progress and celebrate the end of October in style. As October draws to a close, this Spotlight Hour is the perfect capstone to a month filled with spooky fun, community spirit, and unforgettable adventures. Don't miss your chance to be part of the magic. Grab your phone, gather your friends, and make the most of October's last Spotlight Hour. This Spotlight Hour is about to get a whole lot spookier, because the star of the show is none other than Fatality, the haunted teacup Pokémon. With its ghostly charm and mysterious origins, Fatality is the perfect Pokémon to feature during the Halloween season. Its eerie design and playful spirit make it a fan favorite, especially when the leaves are falling and the nights are getting longer. During this special hour, Fatality will be popping up everywhere you look. Whether you're wandering through your local park, exploring city streets, or just hanging out with friends, you'll have the chance to catch dozens of these ghostly teacups. It's a fantastic opportunity to fill your Pokédex and maybe even trade with fellow trainers. And, for those with a keen eye, keep watch for the elusive shiny Fatality. Instead of its usual purple, the shiny version features a rare and enchanting pink teacup. Spotting one is a true badge of honor among trainers, and it's sure to make your collection stand out. While the odds of finding a shiny aren't increased during this event, the sheer number of Fatality you'll encounter means your chances are better than usual. Every tap could be the one that reveals a sparkling surprise, so don't give up if you don't see pink right away. But there's another twist. Fatality comes in two different forms. There's the common counterfeit, which most trainers will find, and the ultra-rare original, which is much harder to come by. This hidden detail adds an extra layer of excitement to every catch. You won't know which form you've caught until you check its details after the event is over. That means every Fatality you catch could be hiding a secret, waiting to be discovered when you least expect it. Each catch is filled with suspense and anticipation. Could this be the rare original form, or just another counterfeit? The mystery keeps trainers on the edge of their seats. This dual-form mechanic transforms the event into a real-life treasure hunt, encouraging players to search high and low for that one-of-a-kind find. For one thrilling hour, Pokémon GO becomes a ghostly game of chance, filled with excitement, mystery, and the spirit of Halloween. Will you uncover Fatality's secret? For many Pokémon GO trainers, the real thrill of this event isn't just catching as many Fatality as possible, it's the exhilarating hunt for the elusive original form. While the park is buzzing with players, everyone's secretly hoping to stumble upon that one authentic find that sets them apart from the crowd. Out in the wild, every Fatality you encounter looks exactly the same. There are no visual hints or special effects to tip you off. You won't know if you've caught a rare original, or just another counterfeit until you take a closer look after the catch. This mystery adds a layer of suspense to every encounter, making each catch feel like opening a surprise package. To uncover the truth, use your team leader's appraisal feature. They'll help you spot the rare original form, which is marked by a tiny authenticity stamp on the bottom of Fatality's teacup. It's a subtle detail, easy to miss if you're not paying attention, but it's the only way to confirm you found the real deal. This makes every appraisal a moment of anticipation. If you're lucky enough to catch an original, evolving it into Mortipod is a true badge of honor. Unlike the counterfeit, which only needs 50 candies to evolve, the original form demands a massive 400 candies. This steep requirement means you'll need to catch, walk, and transfer a lot of Fatality, making the process a real test of dedication and patience. The stakes are high. Every catch could be the one that finally reveals an original form. Players find themselves anxiously checking each new Fatality, hoping for that tiny stamp. The excitement and tension build with every encounter, turning a simple catch into a potential moment of triumph. Spotlight Hour is your best opportunity. With increased spawns, the odds of finding an authentic antique are better than ever. The park fills with hopeful trainers, all chasing the same dream, and the energy is contagious. It's a community-wide hunt, and everyone's in on the action. For dedicated collectors, evolving an original Mortipod isn't just another entry in the Pokédex, it's a true achievement, a symbol of perseverance and luck. Showing off that rare evolution is a moment of pride, often celebrated with friends and fellow trainers. This event is more than just a candy grind, it's a collector's dream come true, filled with suspense, excitement, and the chance to make memories with friends. Whether you're in it for the thrill of the hunt or the glory of the rarest evolution, this is one event you won't want to miss. This Spotlight Hour features double catch candy for every Pokémon you catch. Normally, you get 3 candies per catch, now it's 6 or 12 with a Pinap Berry. This is huge for evolving Fatality, especially the original form that needs 400 candies. Use Pinap Berries on every catch to maximize your haul. Even if you're not after the rare form, this is the best time to stock up on candies for evolutions and powering up your team. The bonus applies to all Pokémon, not just Fatality. This hour is a resource goldmine for every trainer. For collectors, this is the hour to hunt for the rare original and shiny Fatality. Prep before the event, stock up on Pokeballs, clear storage, and have incense and lucky eggs ready. Move quickly between spawns and catch every Fatality. Don't waste time restocking or transferring. Use Pinap Berries to maximize candy and focus on catching rather than just shiny checking. After the event, appraise every Fatality to find originals and shinies. Use search filters to speed up the process. With luck and persistence, you might find that ultra-rare antique teacup. This Spotlight Hour is a collector's paradise. Whether you're new or experienced, there's something for everyone. Beginners, focus on the double candy bonus and catching as many Fatality as possible for easy evolutions. Play in areas with lots of Pokestops, use lures, and team up with friends for more spawns. Experienced players, hunt for high free Fatality and maximize candy for powering up your best Pokémon. Don't forget the bonus applies to all Pokémon. Catch any rare spawns you see. Stay safe. Play in well-lit areas, charge your phone, and bring a power bank. Playing with friends makes the event more fun and efficient. With these tips, everyone can make the most of this spooky hour. As Spotlight Hour ends, Halloween spawns return for a few more days. This event is the perfect finale to October's festivities. Hopefully you'll walk away with a shiny, a rare original, or a mountain of candy. November brings a new theme, the Nature Zone event, likely featuring grass, bug, or ground types. Expect new Pokémon, special research, and fresh bonuses. The resources you gather now will help you in the next event. Pokémon GO is always evolving. Enjoy the haunted teacup hunt and get ready for new adventures. Happy hunting!